Okay, here's a little parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. A few of these pieces have got undulating faces where they've already been ground a little bit. The rule's in millimetres, the material's been wetted, and the white that you can see is a reflection of the lights. Go for these purple bits first, matrix type material. It's more of a face. The black that you can see is where someone's marked it out to cut it out. Like this piece here, it's been ground, so you're going to have to polish it with a Dremel. This piece, you could cut a couple of stones out of it. This piece has got a nice bar of colour through here, different shades. Again, another little eye of colour there. This piece, red, fire red. Basically what you see needs to be polished at that. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.